Today I'd like to talk to you about the Ultralift pad from Orbot. It's a melamine pad for floor care. Stick around, I think you'll find it interesting. So we're talking today about the Ultralift pad from Orbot. It's a melamine pad, kind of like the magic eraser that you might use around your house. Melamine is great because it kind of grips the surface. You can see it has kind of a waffle design on the surface. In this application for floor care, it will enable you to clean without having to use a lot of solution, less moisture, and for example on a wood floor or a laminate plank, you don't have to get the floor real wet. So you can use less liquid and also less detergent. So particularly if you wanted to go more environmentally, green type cleaning, using a melamine pad certainly has a good application there as well. The way that it works, it basically kind of like, picture it just kind of gripping the floor. It's kind of like going to suction itself right onto the floor and pull on the surface. So you get a lot of grip on the surface, pulling soil from the surface. Now, like I mentioned, it works well on wood laminates. I've even seen it demoed on a very dirty restaurant floor. So really any type of flooring that you want to get clean, this is going to just power right through it without having to use a lot of water. Now don't use it dry, you do want to use a wet surface, but without using a lot of solution or even a lot of chemical, you're going to find that it's going to very easily clean just about anything you throw at it. So for an all-around great floor cleaner that can be used under an orbital machine or even on a rotary machine, you might want to give the Ultralift pad a good close look. I'll put a link to it in the description below, and as always, we appreciate you watching. We're here to help you max your end cap, or in this case, max your floor care. Please hit the like, subscribe, comment below. We appreciate it when you do that, and until next time, thanks for watching NCAP TV.